Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this video we will talk about affiliate marketing and why you should start right now. Please stay tuned as this video is divided into two parts. Without further ado, let's begin. Thousands of people and sites use affiliate marketing, including respected companies like the New York Times, Forbes and NerdWallet. It's a countrywide trend proving to be lucrative to everyone in the field. According to Statista, spend on affiliate marketing programs by businesses in the US will grow to $8.2 billion this year. That's up 76% in the last 6 years alone. Most beginners who try out affiliate marketing are disappointed and give up because they didn't achieve the financial rewards they were promised by online marketers. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows for brands to pay publishers for leads and sales. The process works like a commission being paid out to those who are able to make a successful sale. Always remember, the more sales you make, the better. There are a variety of incentives that can happen with affiliate marketing, anywhere from cents on the dollar to hundreds of dollars per referral. Done right, affiliate marketing could make you earn more than your job or help diversify your revenue. You share an affiliate link on your website, blog, or in a social media post. A. Customer clicks your affiliate link. Customer is redirected to the advertiser website. Customer is tracked as being referred by you through a cookie. Customer makes a purchase. An affiliate network attributes the purchase to you and issues a commission. Commissions appear in your affiliate dashboard. You get paid by the affiliate network. No single profile defines the type of person that would be successful in the affiliate space. That can range from entrepreneurs at independent businesses to people on teams for very big, well-known brands. And since you aren't responsible for the delivery of a product or service, affiliate marketing is low risk. You don't need a degree in marketing or any specific qualifications to be a successful affiliate marketer. With the right resources, anyone can easily learn to be an affiliate marketer. To succeed in affiliate marketing nowadays, it's vital that you have a strong following. Putting out quality content is an essential way of creating a large, loyal audience for your products and services. Optimizing for conversion also boosts your chances of getting noticed. When you fully understand affiliate links and create them, you get amazing results. What is an affiliate link? Affiliate marketing is the most popular way to sell other people's products. A typical affiliate link is a trackable link for a specific retailer or brand. This enables the retailer to know that you referred a customer so they can pay you commission. The number one thing for beginners to know is that you can only make a commission when the sale is made through your affiliate link. The way you earn commissions is also worth considering. There are two main models, that is, CPA, cost per action, you earn each time someone from your audience completes an action. Depending on the program, an action could be making a purchase, starting their free trial, or providing contact information. CPC, cost per click. Google AdSense pays you a small amount of money for any clicks that seem to be coming from quality visitors. Affiliate programs may offer different payment models, and some will pay you for both getting leads, and then again when they convert into customers. We'll cover this in greater detail later in the video. As an affiliate, these are the phrases you will come across. Not only do they help you choose the right programs, but also give you context on what to expect with each one. Cookies. Cookies are small text files that help businesses remember you visited their website through a referral link. In return, they may pay you a commission, but only if you come back later. Cookie duration. Typically, cookies have an expiration date, but as you might have guessed, affiliate links do too. Affiliate links tend to expire within 15 to 30 days, but limited runs can last anywhere from 24 hours up to a year or more. Cookie duration is important for affiliates because you want to give the customer enough time to come back and purchase the product. It makes your marketing efforts successful. Affiliate networks. Brands usually work with an affiliate network to set up their affiliate programs. There are many different types of networks, but the most common are Impact and Flex Off. Is affiliate marketing worth it? You have a good opportunity to earn unlimited. This is unusual because most people can't say that they can earn unlimited. Affiliate marketers can earn a lot of money depending on factors including the niche they choose, their abilities, and how much time and effort they put in. However, most affiliates do not end up making large sums of money. Recent reports show that the average affiliate marketer earns $3,000, $6,000 per month, or approximately $36,000, $72,000 annually. Due to the different niches and associated earning potential, it's important to do your research and choose a niche you're passionate about. This way, your online business has the potential to thrive. The first thing to consider when choosing a niche is the product itself. It's important to choose a product that interests you and you're willing to write about. Next, try seeing what other bloggers in your niche are doing, what topics they're covering, what type of audience they have, etc. Here are the steps you need to get right from the beginning. Step 1. Choose a niche based on research. Aimless chasing of new fads can be time-consuming and sometimes a waste of money. It's important to do research on profitable niches before investing too much in one subject matter. Otherwise, you might find your business will have low earning potential and won't last long when that trend dies down. In this workshop, you will learn about the competitive landscape in your niche and discover the various affiliate programs that are out there. Finally, you will be able to plan a successful affiliate marketing strategy and content plan. When you're working on a niche project, it's always worth using niche research tools. There are plenty of free ones that can get you started quickly. I know 3 personally. Google Trends, trending topics and searches, organized by geography. Answer Socrates, find out which questions people type into Google. Exploding Topics, a Google Trends alternative with curated results. Starting affiliate marketing may not be the smartest idea if you don't have any money and/or a large budget to work with. I recommend you pick a topic that you like and write as much on as possible and avoid getting bored or hating your niche. But you'll need to find a topic that also has the potential to make money. Again, it's a good idea to use tools like Google Trends to vet your niche and make sure it's not just a passing trend. It is likely that you will want to choose an evergreen niche which generates revenue throughout the year. It's also important to understand the competition. Start a blog about web hosting, one of the most lucrative affiliate niches, or create some entertaining gaming-related videos. With a lower competition, you'll be able to find an underserved audience or niche and focus on better meeting their needs. Once you've established yourself in that area, it will be easier for your PMs to show growth later on. A good example here is web hosting for a beauty industry company. It's typically the online presence, so it would make sense to start with Salon Website Builder instead. It's sometimes called website creation, and by doing so you can really tap into a tight-knit community and even generate ad revenue from your site. Step 2. Choose the right platform. The type of content you choose will depend on your niche. In general, there are 2 options, a website or a YouTube channel. This depends on what you want your audience to focus on, entertainment or education, and how much time and effort you want to put in. YouTube can be a great way to build an audience, grow your brand and promote affiliate products to people who trust you. There are some downsides though. Maybe you feel like video takes a lot of time to create. It could take up to 1 hour of video footage to produce just one article. Videos are harder to outsource, especially if you're the person in front of the camera. This means that you'll need to be involved with every video. One way to grow your email list is by putting an opt-in form on YouTube. YouTube doesn't have a built-in way to collect email subscribers, but email is a great tool for affiliate marketing. YouTube videos have a lot of friction in the click-through from users to affiliate-related links. So if you're trying to refer other products, it's unlikely that prospects will click on those links. Ultimately, it's great to have both a website and YouTube. Embedding videos on an affiliate website is also an excellent way to boost conversion. But if you're new to the system, starting with a blog would make everything a lot easier for you. Step 3. Pick profitable affiliate programs. One of the top mistakes beginners make when they first start out as an affiliate marketer is signing up for too many affiliate programs. You'll want to prioritize your time and use your resources wisely by working with a finite number of programs where the payout is good, conversions are strong, and reliability is high. First, assess earning potential. There are different affiliate programs with different payment scales. Some pay out a few cents for each conversion, others offer up to hundreds of dollars. For example, some affiliate programs offer lower payout rates relative to other affiliate programs. However, it may be easier to join and promote these programs as they often require fewer sales for the same amount of revenue. Here are the 3 main ways to make your affiliate math work out. High volume, low commissions. For example, Amazon affiliate sites have a 5% commission per sale, and to make $5,000 in a month you'd need to generate $100K in revenue. If an average customer spends $100, that's 1K orders. To do well here, you usually need a lot of content. Programs with low volume but high commissions are good for people who want to earn a much higher commission rate. For example, luxury affiliate programs and photography affiliate programs. Both have less exposure, so they require fewer conversions to reach a revenue goal. High volume and high rates of competition are what you should expect when looking into companies with a financial affiliate program. If this is the type of company you're interested in, make sure to do your research on what's most relevant to your audience and products. Speaking of markets, these types of affiliate programs have succeeded in both credit cards and bank accounts, as well as web hosting and. While you're working on it, check the affiliate program's cookie duration. This can be adjusted to give your audience more time to make a purchasing decision. Regardless of the cookie duration you set, short cookies still work for people who are already interested in your company. Make sure you're targeting them at the right stage based on their needs. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Stay tuned to part 2.